Traction Control System (TCS) and Electronic Stability Control (ESC) are crucial safety features in your VW Golf VIII. TCS prevents wheel spin by applying brakes and reducing engine power. Electronic Stability Control (ESC) corrects oversteer or understeer by braking individual wheels to maintain vehicle stability. Slip Control manages traction loss and is often tied to the ESC button for easy access. Together, these systems enhance safety, especially on slippery surfaces, by preventing loss of control. While generally important for safety, you might want to disable TCS ESC for specific situations. These include off-road driving where wheel spin is needed for momentum, track days where controlled drifts can improve lap times, or if you prefer a more direct driving experience. Be aware disabling compromises safety and could affect warranty insurance. Locate the ESC button on your center console or dashboard. It usually has a car slipping icon. Press and hold this button for 3 to 5 seconds. The system will cycle through modes: ESC on full, ESC Sport with reduced intervention, and ESC off for full disable. A warning light will appear on the dashboard when ESC is fully off. Method 2. Disabling via the infotainment system. Access the Vehicle or Settings menu on your MIB3 touchscreen. Navigate to Driver Assistance and then Stability Control. Here you can toggle TCESC on or off. Note that the 2025 firmware update, version 3.2.1, introduced granular slip adjustments within this menu, allowing for customized slip thresholds. Full ESC provides maximum stability, preventing most slips. ESC Sport allows for some controlled wheel spin and drift. ESC off completely disables the system, giving you full control, but also removing the safety net. Use ESC off with extreme caution, especially in adverse conditions. ESC automatically re-enables each time you restart your engine or if the system detects significant instability. Disabling ESC is not permanent, so you'll need to repeat the process each time you want it off. Always prioritize safety and re-enable ESC for normal driving conditions. ESC TCS systems are increasingly integrated with electric vehicles and advanced driver assistance systems. In electric vehicles, these systems adapt to electric motor torque and use regenerative braking to manage traction more efficiently, preventing wheel slip in diverse conditions. Looking ahead, future ESC TCS systems will likely employ AI and machine learning for predictive slip control. These intelligent systems will analyze driver behavior and environmental data to anticipate traction loss and intervene proactively, making vehicles safer and more responsive. However, stricter regulations may limit full disable options in upcoming models. Standards like Euro 7 emissions requirements could mandate that safety systems remain active to preserve critical data and maintain vehicle stability, especially in autonomous or semi-autonomous driving scenarios. Finally, stay updated with software updates. Volkswagen's over-the-air updates, like the 2025 firmware, introduce customizable slip control settings and enhanced features that allow partial disables or adjusted intervention levels for better performance and safety. Experts from organizations like the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration emphasize that disabling electronic stability control increases accident risk by 30 to 50%, especially on slippery roads. While disabling ESC can be useful for performance driving on tracks, it should only be done temporarily and in appropriate conditions. According to surveys, 18% of Volkswagen Golf VIII drivers disable ESC at least once monthly, mostly for spirited driving. However, 28% of users report instability issues. Remember that modern ESC systems are over-engineered for safety, as noted by automotive experts.